Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 72 C10. Pretty cool truck. Got obviously some patina, scratches, dent, a little bit of rust, faded paint, and then one time had an emblem on it. I can't quite make it out, or a paint. They painted it, probably a shop or something. But I X-coated it, which is putting on a thin coat of clear on it because it was a little faded, and kind of makes it a cool looking truck. Rebuilt motor, rebuilt tranny. We put a heater core in it, gauges, different newer seat in it but it'd be pretty cool if you wanted to do the interior. I mean, you can drive it the way it is, runs great. So I think we're gonna put a new brake vacuum booster. Here's a couple kind of custom cut boards if you wanted to fill in the old bad spots, which was make the patina truck kind of cool. It isn't totally rusty, a little bit on the bed right there, and then the cab corners and the rockers. So pretty cool truck to just drive the way it is. Got the old bent up tailgates, the old style bumper. Scratches and dings and, faded paint. The roof's really faded. But that's pretty cool right there. Wish I could make it out. So, pretty cool truck, 605-695-7391. There's a broken windshield also.